Welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Open the Instagram app. Firstly, you have to open your Instagram app and click on the More option in the bottom left corner and navigate through your settings. Go to the Account Center. Now, after coming to the Settings option, you have to go into your Account Center. After coming to the Account Center, you can see the Personal Details option here. You just simply have to tap into that. Select Account Ownership and Control to proceed. After clicking on Personal Details, you just simply have to select the option Account Ownership and Control and click on the Deletion or Deactivation option. Select the Deactivate Account option and continue. Enter your password. Now, after doing all the process, you just simply have to enter your password into this box given here. After entering the password, just simply click on the Continue button. Now, as a last step, select the reason for deactivating your Instagram account and click to continue. After doing this, just simply tap into the Deactivate Account button, and you have successfully deactivated your Instagram account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more future contents like this.